Imagine this, a drone flying high above the water, scanning the horizon. Suddenly, it lands straight on the surface, dives in like a fish, and starts exploring the deep below. Sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, right? But this is not fiction. This is Avataar, India's first amphibious drone. Let me break it down for you. Avataar is a jaw-dropping piece of tech, just launched by a Bengaluru startup called AquaAirX Autonomous Systems. These folks have managed to build a drone that's equally at home in the air and under the sea. Avataar stands for Autonomous Tactical Aerial and Aquatic Reconnaissance Vehicle, basically a flying submarine. So, how does it actually work? Picture this. The drone takes off like any regular quadcopter, zipping across the sky with high-speed propellers. Once it reaches its destination, it gently lands on the water. Now comes the magic. It dives. Underwater, it switches gears, using a carbon fiber body and special coatings to resist the salty sea. Its sensors stay sharp because of a 3-layer defense, and it's got a clever system to flush out any salt after missions. Navigation underwater is a whole different ballgame. That's where Avataar's sonar comes into play, sending out sound pulses to map the underwater world in 3D, even in murky waters. It even sends data back to the surface with underwater Wi-Fi using sound waves. To avoid getting lost, it tracks its speed against the sea floor and calculates its position, so it can always find its way back home. And get this, it will never dive if its battery is low. Safety first. Now, you might be wondering, why all this effort? Well, the applications are incredible. Imagine the Navy patrolling both above and below water with just one drone, or inspecting pipelines, cables, and ship hulls without needing separate robots. In emergencies like floods or shipwrecks, Avataar can search for survivors both on the surface and beneath. It's a game changer for India's coastal security and even environmental monitoring. Investors are taking notice too. AquaAirX just secured more than 12 crore rupees in seed funding, with big names like Rainmatter and prime venture partners backing them. This will help them push the tech further, making future versions smarter and even more autonomous. So the next time you spot a drone in the sky, remember, there might be a whole new world unfolding below the waves as well. India's deep tech scene is just getting started, and Avataar is proof that the future is already here. If you found this fascinating, do hit like, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more stories that decode our tech future. Until next time, keep exploring.